Hi, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you how I use my Beetles nail kit to do my gel manicures at home. If you saw my best of 2020 beauty products, you would have seen that I listed this as one of my top 10 beauty products of 2020. And so I thought it would be fun to show you how I do my manicure at home and how the gel kit works. I will list the gel kit that I purchased from Amazon down below, as well as the additional nail color kit that I have that has this nail color. I'll also link it down below. None of them are affiliate links or links that make me any commission. I'm not big time like that yet, but if you like to help a sister out, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, ring the notification bell. That would help me out greatly. Let's get into how I do my nails at home using the Beetles gel nail kit. Okay, so my nails have been trimmed. I filed them a bit. I also buffed them. I use this Revlon Crazy Shine nail buffer. I use this side right here. So I buff them and then I wash them very well with soap and water, and then I dry them very well with a paper towel. The first step is to use the Beetles Foundation Base Gel or any base gel that you have and apply a very thin layer to your nails. So let's do that first. And I always like to make sure that I seal the very top of the nail. Okay, and now that I have the base coat, I'm going to cure it. I have mine set to the 120 seconds. Okay, now let's do the other hand. Again, sealing the very top, and then a thin coat on the nail. I want to apologize for my cuticles. They're not the most beautiful. I do wash my hands a lot, and I'm also not a nail tech. I'm not a professional nail person, never have been, so I do make mistakes. Alright, let's cure them. Okay, now we have the base coat on both sets of nails, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Beetles Gel Nail Polish in 800. It is a gray color. I'm going to keep it neutral, and exactly the way I did with the top coat, I'm going to apply a thin layer and also put a small bit on the very tip to seal. Now, because of that, I will get color on my skin, and I'm okay with that because I just clean it off with warm water in the shower. And then if I make it too thick on the sides, I just file it, which often happens because I am not a professional and I'm not very good at this. I'm also not ambidextrous, so it is a challenge for me to do this. This hand is not a challenge, but the other hand surely is. Now, the reason it's important to seal this tip here is so that way it doesn't lift or crack from that area. Alright, time to cure. Now I'm going in with the Beetles Top It Off Top Gel Coat. Also will put a very thin layer as I have with the others. Now I'm not the neatest at applying nail polish, so I do clean it up heavily when I'm in the shower. And I will show you images of what my finished mani looks like. There we go. And to finish it off, I use this nail oil that came with my Beetles nail kit. And so you just twist it and then I apply it to my cuticles just to kind of help out the dryness. And then I massage it in to my cuticles here. And there you go. So as I mentioned, I do have color on my cuticles. I'll clean that off in the shower with some warm to hot water and just kind of peel it off. And then any other edges I may file. But otherwise, that's the finished look here. And there you go. That's how I do my gel nail manicure at home. Now, I used a very neutral color. I'm not a nail technician or a nail artist, so this is just me at home doing a little self-care, just making sure that my hands look manicured for work or whatever errands I run from the day to day. So I just wanted to share how I use one of my top products of 2020. What do you do for nail care? Do you go get manicures? Do you get long nails done? Do you use regular nail polish? Keep your nails naked? I used to enjoy getting gel nail manicures every 2 weeks years ago. Took it out of my budget, and with the pandemic, this has just been one of my new self-care for myself, and I really enjoy it, and I really love having my nails manicured from the day to day. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified weekly of my newest uploads. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.